You fly out.
We fly out into Studio City, California, and we stay there. And they tell you you're going to be Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. You're going to be on Wednesday, and so they chuck you out and they do the makeup and everything else, which is kind of cool. And we go into the green room, and they say, "Okay, a boost oxygen. It's your time to go out." And you walk through the hallway, and there's a camera right in front of you, up your nose, and the doors open, and there are the sharks. You spend the next anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour pitching, and we practiced ad infinitum everything that we wanted to say, all of our numbers, everything. We're very prepared, which was great. The sharks were fantastic. They were incisive. Some were aggressive, some were totally out, some were totally in. And yeah, so when we looked at Kevin as one of our primary shark that we would want to engage with, because he understands business, he understands distribution, he understands, and he's an advocate for his I guess
portfolio companies.
What's a minnow to the sharks, so he's been fantastic. So but going in and experiencing that was really surreal, because you're on stage and in front of the sharks, and it really is. You feel like you're on TV.